Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to use your dual 1219 turntable. There's a lot going on and it's good to know how to use it all before you get started. So right here we got the pitch control that will allow you to adjust the pitch, basically adjust the speed. And then you've also got the speed controls. You got 33, 45, and 78. If you want to play 78s on this turntable, you'll have to get a appropriate needle for it. For needles, we've got the Shure M91 on there. It's just a cheap one, but you can get something a little nicer. This is a Shure V15 Type 3. This will be much better sounding and much better quality than that one. It won't do your 78s though, so you'll have to get a different one for that. And then if you plan on stacking any 45s on here, you're gonna have a hard time getting the proper spindle for it. So you're probably not going to be able to do any of that, but you do have a 45 adapter that you could put on and just use single play. There are also adapters called spider adapters that you could put on your 45s, which would allow you to stack them on the standard spindle. So there is that as an option. And then right here we've got the stacker. This is where you could put records and it will automatically drop them down. And the spindle on this is called an umbrella style spindle. And then you got start and stop. Start will just automatically play the record and put it back when it's done. Stop you'll use if you're playing a record and you want it to stop, it'll just put the arm back. And then you've got the record sizes 7, 10, and 12. Most records are 12. And then you've also got the cue here. That's for raising and lowering the needle. If you want to use it in manual play, it's good to use that when you're taking the needle off the record. And then right back here, you've got the multi-play and single play setting. That will just raise and lower the needle. So on multi-play, when you put it on multi-play, you could stack records and it will automatically drop them. I'll show you how that works. And then you've also got your weight and anti-skate adjustments back there. So as you can see, it's playing the record, and if you decide that you don't want to hear the rest of this record and you want to just skip to the next one, you could press start and it will go back and it will drop the next one and it will keep going. And after it does finish each record, it brings the arm back over to its resting position and will drop the next record, and then it will go back over and play it. And then these screws right here, whenever you're transporting the turntable, you want to tighten those so that it's tight to the base. And whenever you're using it, you definitely want to loosen them, or you want to make sure that they have some spring in them. That absorbs any vibrations that might be coming from your speakers or from you bumping into anything, so it keeps the needle in the groove. And then next thing I'm going to show you is our single play spindles. So we're going to get that put on real quick. So to get it in single play, we'll start here, move that down to single, and then we'll take the spindle out by spinning it a little bit and pulling out. And then we'll put in the single spindle. It just goes right in. And then you put your record on, hit start, and it does the rest. And when you're setting up your turntable, make sure that your amplifier or receiver has a phono jack. If it doesn't, then it's not going to work properly with your turntable.